Bangladesh Bank releases newly designed banknotes of Taka 1000, Taka 50 and Taka 20 denominations into the market on Sunday. In a press release issued on Thursday, the central bank said it has begun printing a new series of banknotes themed on the historical and archaeological architecture of Bangladesh. New designs will be introduced for all denominations: Taka 2, Taka 5, Taka 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000. But in the first phase, ahead of Eid, only the Taka 1000 and 50 and 20 notes will be released. The press release signed by Mohua Mohsin, director of Bangladesh Bank's Department of Publications and Communication, said the notes will bear the signature of Governor Dr. Ahsanis Mansoor. Initially, they will be issued from the central bank's Motijil office and later from its other offices across the country.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।